enthusiasts! Today, we're going to delve into the secrets of preparing Peking Duck, one of the magnificent masterpieces of Chinese cuisine. In this delicious journey, you'll discover every detail of the duck while immersing yourself in the mystical atmosphere of China. Are you ready for a delightful Chinese feast? Let's begin the preparation of Peking duck with traditional methods. Clean the duck thoroughly and then stuff it with a special marinade. This marinade infuses the duck with incredible flavors, making this recipe truly unique. This meticulously executed step results in an exceptional flavor profile. Roast the prepared duck in a special oven and then fry it to perfection. These steps ensure the duck's skin is crispy, while the meat remains tender. During the cooking process, regularly check the duck and baste it with special sauces to enhance its flavor. Slice the Peking duck and arrange it elegantly on a plate. Serve it with thinly sliced fresh vegetables, greens, and hoisin sauce. Alongside the visual feast, present the duck with Chinese tea to fully enjoy its unique flavor. Here you have it, Peking duck, a gem of Chinese cuisine. We hope this recipe not only provides you with a delicious meal, but also takes you on a culinary adventure. Now head to the kitchen and experience an unforgettable Chinese feast. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you next week. Enjoy your meal.